Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we are going to learn how to log into your DC bank account, which is also known as Digital Commerce Bank account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and at the address bar type in dcbank.ca and click on enter. After that, at the top right corner you can find login option. Click on it. Now select which login you want to do and click on the login button. After that, you will be directed to a login page. Now type in your email address which is associated with your DC bank account and type in your password here. After that, click on I am not a robot option and click on login button to log into your DC bank account. If you have forgotten your password, click on this link and follow the instructions to reset it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.